Okay, so this next interaction is a scenario based. So I think the best way to develop a quiz, and in some cases you do need the multiple choice. Those are effective in some instances, but I really feel that scenario based quizzes are a little bit more effective. So again, here's some information. So you think you know HIPAA. Let's test your knowledge, and the learner will click next. And they are given a question here or a scenario. In this case, it's a focus group will be conducted, and questions about breast cancer and such. And they're asked to, if this actual quiz is at the end of HIPAA training that I developed. So if they click, okay, so no, HIPAA doesn't apply, they're going to get feedback when they click submit. And it's going to say, okay, so in this scenario, HIPAA does apply, because the researcher will be asking participants for questions. So it gives you a reason why it does apply. It's just not, no, your answer is incorrect. I think this is where it's critical that feedback be added in a way that makes sense to drive the point of the training. So go to next question. The next scenario is about a healthy cooking class. Please try to use graphics that are related to your questions, because I've seen a lot of training where the graphic has nothing to do with the question or the point that's being driven. It's totally unrelated. So relating your images to the scenario, the question, or whatever situation you're presenting is critical. So here I'm going to click no, click submit. And okay, so this is a correct answer. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to go to the next question. Now this is a 5 scenario quiz, and so here it changes up a little bit. So here we're posing the scenario. So you need to have your coworker look up some information for a report on a confidential system you don't have access to. Question based on the scenario. So we give them some options here. Okay, so let's pick an incorrect answer here, and I'm going to click submit. And again, the feedback is critical. It says think again, and why the feedback is incorrect, or why your response is incorrect. Again, another learning situation here, or learning opportunities in your feedback. And it moves on to the next question, and again we're giving them some different responses here, so it kind of makes it interesting. And we could say, let's do a correct answer here, and again, why is the answer correct? Another learning opportunity is just reinforcing the learning. And then our final question here, we'll answer it, and a quick quiz interaction. They get their score, they get their feedback instantly, they know how they did, and this is a great way to drive your learning to the point and ensure that your learners actually paid attention.